Look at it! Look at it! Pero ang cute ng pusa. Wala, ang cute ng pusa. I cannot stress enough how important it is to have a support system. And yun, it's really nice then that every once in a while, guys, you remind our teachers that we appreciate them. Effort will always pay off in ways grades alone never can. Should I snitch or let him be? Wait lang, ang konyo nun. Medyo nahirapan ako to. So, hello again, Mapua community. Welcome back to TMW's mini podcast series. This is Mapua Recaps, where we yap about Freedom Wall entries posted by you guys. Thank you for tuning in with me. I am here in TMW's digital studio, and I'll be your featured guest yapper for today's episode. You can call me Star Tiff. My full name is Tiffany Kawile. I am currently a grade 11 STEM student in the Makati campus. Now, for today's episode, let's read and react to some feel-good entries. So, moving on with the first post, and the first post is by a first-year student from Mapua Makati campus. And actually, medyo mahaba-haba yung post. And I actually can't wait to read it to you guys because it's an appreciation post to friends. So, let's get started. Okay, sabi niya. While I'm struggling to absorb 4 weeks worth of material for an assessment in class tomorrow, I am taking a few minutes for myself to pause and express my gratitude towards my classmates. I won't mention which block, as the people there are incredibly sharp and will figure out who I am after read the first 2 sentences of this entry. But to my classmates in the PSYA program, I sincerely want to thank each and every one of you for being nothing but kind and courteous towards me. Coming into college, I knew that the environment would be vastly different from senior high school. I entered Mapua expecting the worst, but I never imagined I'd find myself surrounded by such warm-hearted and like-minded individuals. Despite being older than most of you, there was never any ridicule, nor was I mocked for sharing lecture overviews and reminders in our group chat, even if the information I provided sometimes was lacking. I have found a group of genuine people who are not only cooperative, whether we're planning the schematics of our group work or deciding where to hang out after classes, but also the kind and incredibly caring. Although it's still early in the school year to say something like this, I am genuinely glad to have you all as my classmates. Thank you for being your amazing selves, and let's continue to work hard. College life won't be easy, as seen in the past few weeks, but with dedication and supporting each other, I am confident we will graduate together, with no one left behind. Wow! I've actually read this for 2 times now. And, it's just so heartwarming because I feel the same. Like, I really resonate with it. Because I also have people to thank for being there for me in my journey as a student. Because I cannot stress enough how important it is to have a support system. Kasi ang laking factor na makakatulong sa'yo eh. Like, throughout your journey. Kasi I remember nung first few weeks ko as a student here in Mapua, talagang culture shock. Talagang sobrang iba niya and hindi pa nakakatulong yung ikaw lang mag-isa. Ewan ko for me, and I'm sure a lot of students who were new in Mapua experienced the same thing kasi nababasa ko siya sa Reddit. And ayun, talagang importante na meron kang solid na circle na pwede mong maasahan. But like kahit makausap mo lang, just their presence alone, for me, just their presence alone, sobrang laking tulong na nun. And relate rin ako sa sinabi mo na, although it's still early in the school year to say something like this, I am genuinely glad to have you all as my classmates. Kasi yung circle ko ngayon talagang, kami yung tipong friendship na makita lang namin yung isa't isa, parang okay na, masaya na kami. Ganun. Talaga ba, guys? To my classmates there, talaga ba? Charot. No, I mean like for me, presensya lang nila okay na kahit tahimik lang kami, it's already enough for me. And ayun, kasi sobrang grateful ko rin na nakilala ko sila and they're such a huge blessing to me. Kasi they really keep me going. And ayun, sometimes I even find myself praying for them kasi ayun, sobrang laking help nila para sa akin. And for those people who haven't found their circle yet, I really hope you guys find your set of people. Kasi yun nga, sabi ko kanina, ang laking tulong niya. Diba? Ilang beses kasi sabi nakakatulong siya. Pero kasi legit, malaking tulong siya. Talaga magpupursige ka. Talagang kakayanin mo pag meron kang support system. So I really hope you guys find your set of people. So hello! Welcome to our first cat break. So basically, ano ba yung cat break? It's just me reading entries about cats in between the other posts that I read. So this is the first one. And the first post is from number 1834, from entry 1834. And the original poster said, "I've seen the cat again. I want to pet it, but I don't want to bother its daily dose of sun." And I'm pretty sure you guys can see the photo. And look at it! It's so cute. It's relaxing. It's sunbathing. It has no worries at all. It has no deadlines whatsoever. Grabe, gusto ko lang maging pusa. Hihilatan na lang ako araw-araw sa kalsada. And actually, kakuling yung pusa ko kasi hindi ko mapapakita sa inyo right now because he's currently not here. Pero baka mamaya sa other entries mapakita ko sa inyo. So yeah, that's our first cat break. Okay, so now we are on to the second post. And this post is from a DSIT student. Sabi niya, "I just want to make kwento of a funny story that happened last week." So basically, we had a quiz na open notes sa hardware na sub. So dapat easy na lang siya for us. And someone gave us a heads up sa kung ano yung laman ng quiz. I was like the third person na nagpass ng quiz, and my pwesto is sa dulo sa super right, and there's 3 columns. After passing my quiz paper, I went back to my chair to ice my things. Then because sa dulo pa ako, madadaanan ko yung first 2 columns na last row. 3 guys sa second column na chair is obviously cheating, which is fine with me kasi mahirap naman talaga yung sub. I was about to go out na, then this guy didn't notice na I was going to daan sa back niya. He fishes his phone out and saw me looking at it. He then put his phone back. After that, I smiled at him. Should I snitch or let him be? Wait lang, ang konyo nun. Medyo nahirapan ako to. Pero yun nga, going back to your question, should I snitch or let him be? Ewan ka, ako personally, kung ako yung nasa sitwasyon mo, feeling ko di ko na siya isusumbong. Kasi para sa akin, enough na yung nahuli mo siya, tapos nginitian mo siya. Kasi for sure, kinakabahan na yan at nag-overthink na yan. Kasi, ewan I'm a firm believer that you reap what you sow. So, sumbong mo man o hindi, babalik lang rin sa kanya yung pandadaya niya. And siguro may mga students na magsasabi na ang unfair nun. Kasi, ang unfair nun sa mga nag-aral talaga. Although in this case, open notes naman siya. But of course, the level of hardship is still different. So, just to give you siguro a shift in perspective. Kasi the way I see it, between a cheater and actually for someone who put in the effort, it doesn't matter if you guys get the same high score because your level of knowledge as someone who put in the effort is different from the cheater. Because effort will always pay off in ways grades alone never can. So, yeah. So this is our second cat break, and our entry is entry 1216 captioned, "Lucky Mapukat para hindi bumagsak sa mga susunod na quizzes at exams." Mapukat? Parang kakaiba ata yun. And anyways, the cat is lying down on a red chair, so I'm guessing within campus vicinity siya. And look at it! Kakulingin na naman yung pusa ko, pero sorry talaga, di ko siya mapakita kasi sa totoo lang, di ko rin siya makita. Ang cute no? May mga pusa lang na nagtatakbo-takbo dyan sa campus or like pahiga-higa. Dito kasi sa Makati wala so though meron naman, pupunta ka nga lang sa circuit. Sa Makati campus na mapawawala. So yun, that's our second cat break. Enjoy the rest of the podcast. So hello, welcome back, and we are on the third post, and this one is from a Tomashan. So sabi nga, "Hello, I'm not a Mapuan from Ustemi, but my dad is a Mapuan alumnus, and I want to share this funny story about how happy he was nung naging champion sa NCAA ang Mapua Cardinals sa men's basketball. It all started from 2023, where in last year's NCAA basketball championship, Mapua and San Beda are the finalists and are competing for champion during that time. Syempre, alam niyo na since powerhouse ang Beda noong time na yun, naging champion sila. We were both devastated for 2 different reasons. First, ex ko kasi, taga Beda. Ayun. Yun na nga. Ayun, sabi niya, I'm disappointed na nanalo yung school ng ex ko, while my dad was disappointed na hindi nanalo alma mater niya. Fast forward to the NCAA 100, our prayers were answered at nanalo ang Mapua Cardinals sa men's basketball. My dad was so happy dahil after how many years, champion na ulit ang alma mater niya. So yun, share ko lang naman tong kwento na to. It's not that deep of a story, really. Pero yun, thank you so much for your kwento. Actually, it's a cute, wholesome story. Yun, I'm not sure how to react, but like, it's a really cute story. It's like a cute and kind of unusual way to bond with your dad. But it's really cute. Thank you so much sa kwento mo. And kayo ba, mga nakikinig, naranasan niyo na ba yun na may magandang nangyari sa ex mo? Tapos, parang ikaw, di nyo naman deserve yun. Hi, this is our third cat break, and our entry is from entry 1127. Caption, POV, nalaman mo may tuition fee sa Mapua, kaya in denial umino. Pero ang cute ng pusa. Lang, tuition fee or tuition fee increase? Charot. Para talaga siyang naglasing. Baka may pinagdadaanan siya. Tapos tignan mo, pare-pareho sila ng kulay. From the previous two cat breaks, magkakakulay sila, gray and white. Parang lilipat lang daw ako ng intracampus next year. Cute, ang cute. Oh, this picture of this cat is like me after calculus exams. Charot lang, di tayo magwawalwan after malaman ng score. Yun, that's our third cat break. Enjoy the rest of the podcast. Okay, so now we are on to our fourth and last post. Although we have another cat break later, so abangan niyo yun. And this post is from MS106. So sabi niya dito, to one of the best advisors my classmates and I have had, Sir J, I know you told us that you don't need validation from us, your students, and other people. But I really couldn't help but write this message for you. As I'm really happy to have gotten the chance to have you as our advisor, even if we only had one semester together. That one semester with you was truly one of the best. Mapua may have been very tough on our workload, but having you as an advisor made it bearable. Thank you for the times you've made us laugh, for cheering us up, even in the toughest times, for making us feel comfortable, and for your guidance, support, and encouragement. Having you as an advisor was truly incredible, to the point when you walked out the door at our Christmas party, I felt like crying. Us MS106 will always have a special place for you in our hearts. My classmates and I are truly grateful to have gotten the chance to be your advisory class for a short period. I will never forget you. P.S. To Sir J's next advisory class, huwag niyo lang siyang tatawagin ng B blank para hindi siya mabad trip sa inyo. What is B? What is B blank? What does that mean? Nakagirious ako. And yun, it's really nice then that every once in a while, guys, you remind our teachers that we appreciate them kahit hindi naman nila hinihingi. And this is such a cute example of it. And ako rin, mag-share na lang rin ako. Meron akong teacher nung first sem, and sobrang bait niya, and sobrang understanding niya. And meron kasing time na gusto kong mag-shift ng strand. Tapos, yun, kina-comfort niya ako. Sabi niya, uy, tutulungan kita kung hindi mo kaya, ganyan. Tapos, in-encourage niya akong magstay. Tapos, sabi niya, tutulungan kita, ganyan. Magpapakonsult tayo, ganyan. Sobrang bait niya talaga. And the fact that she was Christian, and ayun, and sobrang generous niya rin magbigay ng reviewers. Feeling ko hindi ako papasa sa mga peta ko if wala yung mga reviewers niya. So yun, to the teachers out there, we see you, we hear you, and we love you. And yun, and I'm sure may mga students dyan na sobrang na-appreciate kayo, even if tahimik lang sila about it. And I can testify because I am that kind of student. Hindi kasi ako open, mahihayin akong estudyante, kaya ayun, I'll share it here. We love you guys. And yun thumbs down, heart yun. Hello, so this is our last cat break and our entry is from 1489. Sabi dito, beware sa pusa na nanguha ng food sa north ng bayan. Nanguha ng bonchon. P.S. Huwag na kayo kumain doon. Bakit naman hindi kakain doon? Aside from the reason of the cat eating the food. Hala, ang cute ng pusa. Okay. This time, hindi na siya white and gray. Orange na siya. Ayun, grabe. Parang ang dami namang pusa talaga sa intra-campus. Makati, mag-alaga na rin tayo ng mga pusa, please. Ayun. This is really sweet. Siguro kahit nasaktan ka na kinain yung pagkain mo, okay lang naman kasi napasaya mo siya, diba? Yes. And to our listeners over there, every time you see a cat, I encourage you guys to give them love. Kasi even if they don't have a permanent home, at least you can be a home for them, even if it's just temporary. Yeah, ayun. Thank you so much. So guys, that's all the featured entries for today. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for listening to today's yapping session. I'm Star Tiff, and this is TMW's mini podcast series, Mapua Recaps.